If you want to change sound EQ on your Motorola smartphone, then first of all you can check if you have Dolby Atmos. So if we open settings in here and go to sound and vibration settings and then scroll down, then you can probably find Dolby Atmos somewhere in the settings. And if you do have Dolby Atmos on your Motorola smartphone, then you can go to settings here in the bottom left corner. There we go, and then we should be able to choose a customer profile, and we can tap on this pen icon in order to find the audio equalizer, and you can move up and down in order to adjust the sound EQ. And we also have some additional presets in here as well. Now, in case you don't have Dolby Atmos on your Motorola smartphone, one of the ways to get a sound EQ or adjust the sound EQ is to download the equalizer from the Play Store. So if you go to the Play Store, you can use search and then just simply search for an equalizer. There we go, and we have a bunch of different apps, and of course you can choose whichever you want to try, and you should be able to use these apps in order to adjust EQ on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.